Hi guys, in this video I will show you 2 easy ways to set up Wi-Fi network on TP-Link Archer AX72 Pro. Let's get into it right now. First of all, power on your router and wait for the Wi-Fi indicators to start glowing solid. Then you need to connect the router to your internet source, and usually this is a modem. Here is the internet port on the back panel. It's blue, so you need to plug in an Ethernet cable to this port, and the other end of this cable plug into the LAN output on your modem. Actually, this is not a modem, let's just imagine this is the one. So now your modem and your router are connected. Also, you can use 1 gigabit per second port if your internet speed is lower than 1 gigabit, but you need to enable it in router settings. We will do it later. Next, you need to set up your router in smartphone application or in web interface. I will show you both methods, so let's start with smartphone application. The app you need is named TP-Link Tether, and you can download it both from App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. So get this app and let's open it. On the first screen, accept the terms of use. The upper checkbox is optional, then hit continue. Allow to find devices on local networks. This is critical to set up the router, so hit allow over here, and if that pop-up didn't show up for you, you need to go to settings and make sure the local network is enabled in Tether application. Then go back to the app and tap I already given the local network permission. Then they force you to create a TP-Link ID account to use this application. So do this if you don't have one. I'm skipping this step in this video because account creation is pretty easy, even easier than on Facebook. So I'm logging into my account. I don't want to allow notifications. Actually, this is not necessary. And set up two-step verification, maybe later. Okay. Now, no device is found. This is just because you are not connected to the router's setup network. Let's fix this. You need to tap on plus or add device and add a router. Make sure LEDs are solid on and hit this button. Now, 2 options. You can open your Wi-Fi settings and manually connect to the router's network, or enable camera and scan QR codes on the product label. Let's do this. Allow access to camera, and here is the QR code. If for some reason you need to connect manually, you can find Wi-Fi network and password on this product label. So later we will change these credentials. Now let's just hit join. Well, the device has been found, Archer AX72 Pro. That's what we need to set up this device. Connect the router to your modem, already done. Next, restart your modem. So do this and hit modem is restarted. Actually, I never restarted my modem on TP-Link router setup and everything works well. But you can do as they recommend. Now enter your device password. This is password to manage your device later from web interfaces and other smartphones. So create password, and don't forget to write it down, because this password is the most important password in our example. I hope you will create stronger password than mine. Hit next. Also, you can use your TP-Link ID as password, as you can see. Now you need to select a port you use to connect to the internet. We use 2.5 gigabit per second port, and then hit next. Now you need to specify your internet connection type. In most cases, this is dynamic IP type. But if you are not sure, you need to contact your ISP and ask about your connection type. Select it from here. And advanced settings, actually we don't need to change MAC address, and this is WLAN settings. Just hit next. And finally create your network name and password. Let's name it TP-Link Net for this example, and create password. Once again, use stronger password than in this example. I'm using it just to save time. So done, then next. I don't want to save this password. And also set update time when you're sleeping and enable auto update. It's recommended to keep your firmware always up to date. So here is your summary, your device password, Wi-Fi password, connection time. So apply and just wait a bit. And now the application wants to join to your new network. So tap join. And it's testing your network connection, whatever it means. Congratulations, you're all set. The system is up and running. Here is the home screen of your applications. The most important settings are organized in tiles on the home screen. So you can tap on Wi-Fi settings, change your Wi-Fi password and network name. You can see who is connected to your network, block and unblock users. From here, you can go to network status and retrieve some information about your connection, including IP and MAC addresses. And you can also enable remote management. If you're using TP-Link Cloud services, you can rename your device from here, and you can create guest network if you don't want to share your Wi-Fi passwords with your visitors. More settings are here in More tab. Explore this application. It's pretty functional and easy to use. And now I want to show you how to enter the router's web interface on your computer. To do this, you need to connect to the router's network. Connect to it, enter passwords, next. And once connected, open a web browser and enter the router's IP address in this field. By default for TP-Link routers, it's always 192.168.0.1. Then hit enter on your keyboard and now enter your device local password. You just created it in the application. Once again, enter key on your keyboard and you will be logged out from the application, but later you can log in as well. So hit login here. And now you're in the web interface. Actually, web interface gives you even more control than TP-Link Tether application. You can use all features. You can update your firmware right away or do it later, but I recommend you to update anyway. And one more thing, when you connect it to your router setup network, like before, like we just connected the smartphone, and when you enter in this IP address, staying connected to the setup network, you will come to this menu, Quick Setup. And here you will have pretty the same dialog as an application, and you can set up the router from here as well. I will show you a couple of steps. So you need to select time zone, then once again select port, detect your connection type, and unlike application, you don't have to log into TP-Link account setting up your router in web interface. So select your connection type. You don't need to change MAC address, just hit next, and the further steps are really the same. Just create network name, password, and wait. That's pretty it. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, leave a comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.